everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Crafty Minds. Today we're going to be making a beadable pen. This is just one example of hundreds and hundreds of different pens you can make, Crafty Minds. This one here has a focal bead that is bubble tea, as you can see, with two small beads. We're going to be making a plain one with just 3 bubblegum beads. You can also add different focal beads. So these are our kits. They come in many different styles. Like I said, you could find them with focal beads or just plain big large resin bubblegum beads or small beads. They come in various different kits. If you want to have a look at what kits we've got available, you can jump on our website at craftyminds.com.au, click on shop and click on beadable pens, and you'll see all of the range that we've got. And obviously we keep updating it with lots of different focal beads and designs, but today we're making this one here, which is pretty plain. So we open up our kit. The kit will have everything you need, which is a beadable pen. So that's what the beadable pen looks like. Now these pens come in different colors, shades, prints. This one's a white one. And the beads, so this one here has 3 large bubblegum beads. Now we don't recommend this kit for children under the age of 4, and even children over the age of 4 really should be supervised with all of our products, because these are choking hazards. These are bubblegum beads, not bubblegum, so you don't put them in your mouth. Just want to be clear on that, because the name sometimes can confuse kids. So these are definitely not edible. These are resin beads. Okay, so to start we need to unscrew the lid. So there is a little lid here that screws off. There we go. Don't lose that. That is very important. If you lose that, your beadable pen won't work. Okay, so then you simply design how you'd like to see your beads on the pen. So that's my design, and you simply start from the bottom and feed through the whole the pen. Really simple. This is a really quick kit, very simple to do. So as you can see, there's a little space there that is for the lid to go back on, screw on. If there's not enough thread there, what you need to do is take them back out and unscrew this part. So I'll unscrew it for you to show you. So that is the shaft for the pen. It screws on both sides. So as you can see inside there is a little screw area. You can unscrew it slightly just to give it a little bit more length, and the beads should sit much better. So let's do that again. Put the beads through and pop this one through, and as you can see, that gives us a little bit more thread to work with. Then you take your little cap and you screw that back on nice and tight, and there is your beadable pen. So cute, so pretty, so simple. Now to work the pen, you simply twist here and you can see the pen's popped out. Now I'll quickly show you what it's like with a focal bead. So with this, you'll need to remove 3 beads. You put one back in, and there is your crown that goes on. I'm going to tighten this one, don't need that to be as long, and then you pop your lid back on. Tighten that as much as it allows us to, and there is your beadable pen with a crown focal bead. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification so you catch all of my new videos. And for now, have a great day. Bye.